Hey guys, welcome to Safi Mixed. In this video, I will let you know how to plot histograms in Wolfram Mathematica. So to this aim, I first import data that I have saved in one of my files to Mathematica and I give it a name. To do that, I just give that table 1 equals, then I give import, and in the argument of import command, I first add quotes and then the square brackets and then go to the folder where I have saved my data and then click in the path link and copy the link of the folder and then come back over here and paste the link I have copied. This warning appears. I click on yes, and the path of the file is pasted here in the argument of import command. And now I add the name of the file, which is histogram.csv. Then I add a comma and I again add quotes and write table. That is, I ask Mathematica to convert the data in the form of table. If I run this part now, so you see this is the data in the form of list of lists, but the first two lists are non-numeric, and I want to remove these two from the data, and that's why I saved the resultant into another tab, another another name, like I call it table 2, and I can add tab 1 and I extract the data. So I start from the third subcolumn, therefore I put 3, and then I put the span, and then till this one I have 20 sublists, so I put 20, and then I run this. You see now again this is in the form of a list of lists. However, the first two blank sublists are removed from the data and the rest data is extracted. So I want to convert the list of lists into a single list, and that I can do by adding the command flatten and putting the whole of this inside its argument. If I now run, yes, now I have the data in the form of a single list, and this data can be plotted in the form of histogram. So I just give the histogram command, and inside the argument of histogram, I add tab 2, which is my final data, and if I run this, I get this histogram. I can change the color by adding command color function, and then I add function, and inside the function I give a name like green, and if I, yes, now it is green. Now you see this histogram is not symmetric because I have an additional slot at this position, and if you want to remove that one and I want to keep symmetric, I remove this last entry from the data, and therefore I span from 3 to 19, and if I now run this, I get a symmetric histogram. I can give another beautiful presentation to this by removing function and just putting hue command at this position. Yes, now it is colorful histogram. So this way you can plot histogram in Mathematica, which is very easy. If your data is not very large, you can construct a list like this one directly in Mathematica without importing the data from your saved file, and you can then draw the histogram. At the end, thanks for watching.